This is Jeff Jacobson from Techstar and Insider 21, and I wanted to welcome you all to the Insider 21 smartphone application demo video. Very excited to be here to demo this app for everyone. We've put a tremendous amount of thought and effort into building this application, and we're very happy with the finished product and very excited to show it to you all today. The app's designed to work on iPhones as well as Android smartphones. The first version that will be available will be for the Android or Google phones, with the iPhone version to follow shortly after approval. Once the app's approved and released, you can download it for your iPhone in the App Store, and for Android phones, you can download it in Google Play. And once that information is available, once the app has been published in the Google Play Store as well as the App Store, we will make sure that there are instructions on how to download that application in either venue, through your back office or through your leaders. So we'll make sure that information is available to everyone. We'll go ahead and start doing the app preview right now. I use a web-based app previewer in order to preview the application. Just gives me a really efficient way to share the application with people that are watching via webinar or over the web. It's almost as if I'm there in the same room with you giving the presentation. Great, so just clicking through now, and there you see the Insider 21 application. The point of this app is to give you the information and tools you'll need to run and promote your business all in the palm of your hand. We understand how important mobile is and that mobile will play a large part in marketing and global business as we move forward. And we wanted to make sure that we prepare the most current, efficient tools for our members to use. In fact, there are really three main purposes in this application that I'd like to relay to you today, and why this app was developed and put together for our members. The first is we'd like the app to help you explain the Insider 21 business. Secondly, we'd like you to be able to present the Insider 21 opportunity. And finally, to help you recruit all your contacts or all the leads that you have into an eventual Insider 21 membership. We feel that we've designed this app with the features and functions that will help you do that. Today, I'd just like to walk you through some of the highlights of the app so you're comfortable using it and can quickly incorporate it into your daily business activities. Once again, I'm going to use this simulator that you see on your screen right now so you can see what the key functions and features are of the application. Great, let's get started. So the screen that you see right here is the home screen. A good way to think of that is to be the home page for a website. This is the home screen for the application, and when the app is pulled up on your phone, this is the first screen that will load. This screen gives you one-touch access to all the critical data and information that you're going to need to market the Insider 21 business. You can see we've got our logo here, we've got a wording here that talks about what Insider 21 is, but the real content and the real guts of this application are located along the tabs that are at the bottom of this home screen. I'd like to go right in with the first one, which is the membership tab. Each tab is accessed by clicking directly onto the tab. In this case, bottom left tab, membership, will pull up membership. As you can see, this tab shows in text form the name of the membership and a brief explanation about each membership level. You're able to scroll through and navigate, so you're able to go to the bottom and see the options available there. But this page contains about a paragraph of information on each level, so your potential members can get a good idea of the different membership options available. Now, in order to navigate back to the home screen, simply go up to the top and click the left back button once, and it will take you back to the home screen. Great. Moving forward, I'd like to click on the next tab, which is titled Levels and Benefits. Now, this is a really neat tab, and let me explain it to you. What this tab does is it displays each membership level, as you can see here, affiliate, associate, investor, director, and so forth. It also shows the membership fee associated with that level. And then what's remarkable about this tab is in the drop-down boxes that you see to the right is a list of the benefits that come with each membership level. For example, if we use the affiliate level as an example, the affiliate shows the name of the level, the cost, and then when you click on this right arrow that pulls up the drop-down box, you're going to see a drop-down box appear at the bottom of your phone that's going to tell you the benefits of this particular membership level. In this case, you receive 1 month free of the Ignite 21 marketing software. In addition to that, you receive the membership referral income plan ability, the ability to earn referral income based on memberships. If we click down to the associate, you can see the differences there. The associate includes the Ignite 21 marketing software, membership referral income plan, as well as a direct investment referral income plan. So you can see we've got all these member levels listed, the cost of those levels, and on the drop-down menu, the benefits associated with each one of those levels. It's a really good tab that you can use. Here you're able to quickly access all the membership levels and a list of the benefits for each level. What we've tried to create and what we feel we've created is a very simple, easy way to quickly show your potential members or potential clients all levels of the membership and the benefits through the smartphone. Great, next tab I want to discuss is the About Us tab. Go ahead and click on the business model. And you can see this is a very simple explanation of the business model and how Insider 21 works. Scrolling down through, as I mentioned, it talks about the business model, really what makes us unique, a couple paragraphs about unique information about the company. Scroll further down into it, it's going to talk about the multiple ways to earn, the different income options, passive income, moving on down, navigating through the bottom of the screen, active income. So you can see it really gives a great snapshot explanation of the business model and how Insider 21 has multiple income streams or income options available to those who choose to participate. Navigation is very simple. I'm using a computer and a mouse for demonstration purposes, but when you have the actual app on your iPhone or Android phone, simply touching on the screen is how you're able to navigate. It makes it very easy to toggle back and forth between tabs as well as home screens. Great. Now this next tab, the Projects tab, is one of my favorite in the entire application. And let me show you why. You can access it by clicking on the globe or Projects tab along the bottom. And what this tab does is it contains live links to all 5 exclusive Insider 21 investment projects. As many of you have heard through our presentations and meetings that we've held, Insider 21, we really feel that we have assembled some of the best independent companies out there that we've chosen to partner with. You can see a list of those 5 partnerships here on this particular tab. For example, if I was able to click on the Techstar Oil tab, I'm redirected to the Techstar Oil website or homepage where I have full access to their website and all of the content that is held on that website. Now, for demonstration purposes, it's a little small to see on the screen that you're looking at, but you're able to fully navigate through each individual website through the application on your phone. So it's a great resource to pull up company information on the individual projects and programs that make up Insider 21 investment model. You're able to go directly to the project company website with one touch. Moving back, the final tab that you'll see on your home screen is the More button. The More tab simply moves you to a new menu. If I click on it now, you'll see that it simply moves you to a new menu that has additional features and functions, including the ability to connect to your social media, as well as the ability to communicate with the company and also other members. Quickly going through the Events tab, as many of you would imagine, clicking the Events tab is a calendar feature that will show upcoming events. Events that will be included here in the Events tab of the application will include upcoming webcasts or webinars, product updates or investment updates, special promotions and qualification benchmarks, as well as local and global events that are sponsored by the company. You can see by looking at the event section now, it contains the Leadership Success Summit that we had in Macau in July, as well as moving forward into August with the weekly webinar schedule. This will be a great resource for you as you plan your business weeks and upcoming months. I would highly recommend that once you're able to download the application, you check back into this section frequently, as it will change with new and exciting events that you'll definitely want to be a part of. Great. Now this tab, as I mentioned before, is probably my second favorite tab. I think I have two. One was the project tab. The second one would be the Social Connect tab, which allows social media integration. Now, through social media integration, it's going to allow all of the users to connect directly to all Insider 21 social networks. As you can see, we have Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter represented here. For example, if I click on the Facebook icon, I'm taken to the Facebook site. If you're not logged into your Facebook account, you'll need to enter your account information here for Facebook, also your password, and then go ahead and log into Facebook through the application. Once you've logged in, the app will keep you logged into Facebook, so you won't have to keep repeating the login process. Once your login is complete, it will automatically redirect you to the Insider 21 Facebook page. Once you're logged in, you can navigate through the site and have access to all of the Insider 21 content available on Facebook. So it's a great tool in order to put you in touch with literally millions and millions of people, and also a community that's built within our Facebook page. Now this tab is really exciting. If you click on the YouTube icon, YouTube is a little bit different than Facebook in that we have created an Insider 21 YouTube channel with content that is unique only to Insider 21. As you can see right now, this channel that we've created for Insider 21 already has various videos that have already been uploaded to it. As I slowly navigate up, you can see there's a video from the Macau visit. There's a video from some Indonesian potential partners and their visit to Texas to see the oil wells. You can find the Insider 21 official launch tour video. Great videos that will host continually through our YouTube site, whether they're promo videos, opportunity videos, training videos, and also event highlight videos from Insider 20 events. If you're unable for some reason to attend an event, we'll be able to put those highlight videos up on the YouTube, and you can go through them like you were at the event, even though you didn't have an opportunity to attend it. This YouTube channel and this YouTube link through social media is going to be an incredible source for content. So make sure when you first access this YouTube Insider 21 channel that you subscribe to the channel, which you can do up here at the top by clicking on the red subscribe button, and that's going to continue to push you new updates and new content as it is added to the YouTube Insider 21 channel. Twitter is very much the same. You'd click on the Twitter icon, you'd be asked to log into your Twitter account. Once you do so, you're redirected to the Twitter Insider 21 account where you'll see all of the content and blogs and information that we publish through Twitter as well as YouTube and Facebook. This Social Connect tab is an incredible tab, and it's a great resource for members to use to show potential clients or leads not only our presence in all of these social media networks, but also the amount of fans and the amount of content that we have on three of the most reputable, highly used, most widely respected social media websites in the entire world. Great, now as we navigate back through the application, I'll quickly show you the comment wall. Comment wall is a tab that's going to allow all members to communicate with each other and also build a community of members right inside the Insider 21 application. It's a great way to give recognition to your team, to comment on a positive experience, and also to hear success stories from other members that they have chosen to share through this platform. It's very easy to use. You'd simply take your mouse up to the comment section in the top right, click. Once again, you'll be asked to log in through either Facebook or Twitter. Once you do so, this section here will become active and you'll be able to leave a comment, which will be viewable by everyone who downloads and uses the application and accesses this comment wall tab. It's a really neat tab. Once we get the app published and running, I highly expect this tab to be one of the most used in the entire application because of its social nature and the ability to connect with people. A lot of times we are operating in countries that are far away from where other members are, and this is a wonderful opportunity for us to get to know members through the application without actually meeting them physically in person. Moving back, blog tab I won't go into. All of you, I'm sure, are familiar with a blog, what it is, what it does. This will be the Insider 21 blog, where we'll pull over relevant news articles and events or updates that we feel are important to our company and also important to the industries that our investments are in. Share Your Success tab is very similar to the Comment Wall tab in the fact that through this tab, you have the ability to promote fun, positive things that you want to share with the company. It's a very fun, exciting tab that allows you to click on the Choose Photo button. You're then asked if you would like to choose a photo that already exists on your phone in your library, or if you'd like to take a new photo. Once that option is chosen, you simply connect Send, and that photo will be sent directly to the head office. It's a very simple process. It's very easy to use, and that's it. It's one-click ability to communicate and send a picture directly to the company. The reason that we've used this tab and programmed it this way is twofold. One is we plan to create an online photo gallery of the best pictures that we receive from our members all across the world that we'll publish and share across the company. We'll make a neat presentation out of it at upcoming events, recognize people that have submitted great photos. Secondly, much like the comment wall, it gives our members an opportunity to interact with each other and also to interact with the company. We understand and know how important it is that there's open lines of communication. We've tried to make this application as easy as possible to communicate not only with each other, but with the company. Great, the last two tabs are very simple. The newsletter tab can be accessed by clicking the newsletter button. If you have people or yourself that are interested in receiving the Insider 21 newsletter, simply enter your name, email address, click the send button, and that will email corporate headquarters letting them know that you'd like to be added to the newsletter. Finally, the last tab in the application is the support tab. The support tab, as you would expect, shows the company address, location, as well as a phone number. This tab gives the user the ability to use one button. If you click here, you're immediately able to call directly to headquarters office through this application. Clicking once on the website button, as you see, will direct us to the Insider 21 mobile website, where you'll be able to have full function of the website to peruse all in the palm of your hand. If we navigate back, the final function of the support tab is the one-click email button. Through this email us button, click it once, and it's going to bring up an email form that's automatically addressed to Insider 21. If you'd like to copy anybody, you can do so here. The subject you can choose, and then your message, and then simply click send, and that will send to Insider 21 corporate servers. So it's very intuitive, very easy to use, almost customer service support oriented tab. It also shows a map if you wanted to see exactly where the office was. For many of you who haven't had the opportunity to visit, it's a fun way for you to show people where our headquarters office is located in the United States. Great, I'm navigating back to the home screen now, base of operations and the brain center for where the entire app experience begins. Well, that's it for the app walkthrough. I hope you all enjoyed the presentation. I certainly enjoyed walking you through it. But more importantly, I hope you're able to understand the application and get excited about using it to build your business. As new features and functions become available, we're certainly going to add these to the app to continue to make it better and easier to use. Our promise to you members is that we will have the most user-friendly, efficient application in the entire industry. Once again, I want to tell everybody thank you so much for taking the time to watch this demo video. And thanks to everyone out there for all your hard work and dedication. Without your dedication and hard work, none of this would be possible. So I wanted to tell everybody thank you again. I look forward to seeing and working with you all in the coming months. Insider 21 is gaining an incredible amount of momentum and excitement, and we look forward to being the #1 investment club, not only in Asia, but also in the entire world. Once again, thank you for your time. I hope everybody has a good night. Goodbye.